The plumber's world, building comfort and health. Plumbing is a crucial part of our homes and lives. It's much more than just pipes and water. Good plumbing keeps our homes hygienic and comfortable. Imagine a world without toilets, sinks, or showers. Plumbers are the skilled professionals who make this all possible. They install, repair, and maintain these essential systems. From fixing a leaky tap to installing a complex drainage system, plumbers ensure everything flows smoothly. This guide will take you through the key skills every plumber needs. We'll cover everything from basic repairs to more complex installations. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or considering a career in plumbing, this guide will provide valuable insights. Above-ground plumbing is what we see every day in our bathrooms and kitchens. It involves installing and repairing fixtures like toilets, sinks, and baths. It also includes the pipes that connect these fixtures to the main water supply and drainage system. One essential skill is working with soil and waste pipes. These pipes remove wastewater from our homes. Plumbers need to know how to cut, fit, and connect these pipes securely. They also need to understand venting systems, which prevent sewer gases from entering our homes. Another critical area is installing and repairing sanitary ware appliances. This includes toilets, sinks, baths, and showers. Plumbers need to know how to connect these fixtures to the water supply and drainage system correctly. They also need to be able to troubleshoot and repair common problems, like leaks and blockages. Below-ground drainage systems are hidden, but they play a vital role in keeping our homes dry and hygienic. These systems carry wastewater away from our homes to the main sewer line. Plumbers need to understand how to excavate trenches and lay drainage pipes at the correct gradient. This ensures wastewater flows freely and doesn't back up into our homes. They also need to know how to connect different sections of pipe and install inspection chambers. Inspection chambers allow plumbers to access the drainage system for maintenance and repairs. Understanding basic building work, like concreting and bricklaying, is also necessary for some below-ground drainage installations. Hot and cold water systems are essential for our daily comfort. Plumbers need to know how to install and repair the pipes that carry water throughout our homes. This includes connecting to the main water supply, installing stop valves, and fitting taps and other fixtures. Understanding different pipe materials like copper and plastic is crucial, as is knowing how to join them securely. Working with hot water systems requires additional skills. Plumbers need to know how to install and maintain water heaters safely. They also need to understand how to prevent Legionella bacteria from growing in hot water systems, which can pose a health risk. Rainwater systems collect and divert rainwater away from our homes. This prevents damage to our roofs, walls, and foundations. Plumbers need to know how to install gutters and downpipes that effectively channel water away from our homes. They also need to understand how to connect these systems to SAQA or rainwater harvesting tanks. Maintaining rainwater systems is equally important. Plumbers need to know how to clear blockages in gutters and downpipes. They also need to check for leaks and damage regularly to ensure the system functions correctly.